Hello. We'd like to welcome all of our new master's and doctoral students to the CUNY Graduate Center's new Student Orientation Online. As you know, all of our fall classes are happening remotely, as is this orientation. It takes place in two locations, here on our webpage, as well as in an asynchronous video event on Blackboard, CUNY's learning management system. On the webpage, which you've already discovered, below where this video is located, you can find information about what you need to access Blackboard. First, you need to be able to log in using your CUNY First account. If you haven't activated that, please do so first. Then you need an internet access and a browser. In addition, on this webpage, we have a wide variety of resources available to you, including information about other orientations, such as the mandatory International Students Orientation, the many program orientations that are going on, as well as the GC Sciences Orientation. Furthermore, we have a list of additional orientation information sessions that are available on our Blackboard page. On the left column, we have links to the Blackboard event, as well as the Sciences Orientation, and the Doctoral and Graduate Student Council's Student Organizations list. Below that, we have the program for the event on Blackboard, as well as convenient links to our one-stop services, the new student checklist, and the new student welcome site, all of which have been up for several weeks now. Let's go to the new student orientation event on Blackboard. First, you'll need to log in using your CUNY First login. And it should take you to the landing page of the event. If not, then it'll take you to the home page of Blackboard, and you can find this new student orientation 2020 listed under your organizations. The landing page has our introductory videos. These are organized in a playlist, so you only need to play and let it run. This includes welcoming remarks from our VP for Student Affairs, President, Provost, faculty, students, and others. Below this playlist of welcoming videos is a program of the event. In addition to these welcoming videos, we also have a wide variety of informational workshops. Each of these modules includes a video and information of an office or service at the Graduate Center. These offices and services include financial aid, information about residency requirement from the Registrar's Office, the Wellness Center, Disability Services, the Writing Center, and the Teaching and Learning Center, just to name a few. Each of these modules has a video as well as contact information for the office. As you can see here, if we visit the Wellness Center, we have a video as well as its contact information. By organizing it like this, you can pick and choose which modules and which videos you'd like to view. For your convenience, we've included a directory of offices on our Blackboard event, so you can easily locate the contact information for any of the offices represented at our orientation. We also have a section of flyers and other materials, things that may have been passed out in hard copy when we had orientation in person, but that wouldn't be possible, so we've collected them here in one place. Finally, on Blackboard, we have a place to socialize. We have two discussion boards, one general and one for finding your cohort. This cohort discussion board is broken out into threads for programs. So if you want to sort by thread, it'll alphabetize it and you can find your own program. There is a chance that your program might not yet have a thread, and you can just create one if you don't see one. And general socializing is for anybody who wants to meet any of the new incoming students. You can create threads on any topic. This could be hobbies, who likes to bike? Does anybody know good places to see local bands? Or it could be by location, who lives in Brooklyn, who lives in Queens, who lives in the Bronx. Anything you could think of that's appropriate, you can create a thread and socialize there. We're happy to have you join us for our new student orientation, even though it has to be online. We look forward to seeing you in person very soon.